Hey guys, we're going to be opening the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8. I'm so excited because I just got this today. I got it in the color raspberry. I got it for $115. It came with a tin pack of 20 sheets, compact case, rechargeable batteries, and the battery charger for the rechargeable battery. So let's get opening it. So first I'm going to be doing this.
Oh no!
So the first thing I see in here is just this box. Nothing else. So we need to open this too. Okay. Now what we see here is our case. Let's get this out. So this is what it looks like. It's just a little case. I got the batteries with the rechargeable charger. No, I got the charger for the rechargeable batteries. I got the two films. I got the camera first, and it looks like it's going to be a really pretty color. I got a wipe for the lens, and then I got a screen protector. I actually don't know what this is for. I've never seen people use this, but we'll see. So let's take the camera out of the box. So the first thing we see is the little strap for the camera. Then we see the camera. Yay! Ooh, I really like this color. It's kind of orangey. And here are the instructions. It comes with Japanese construction and English. And then we have more batteries. That's all that's in the box. And I'm going to show you how to put on the strap for it. So what you see is on like the little dot is this thin strap. And on the side of the camera, there's these two rectangular holes. You put the thin strap in it, and then when you're pushing it, the other side of it will come out. And then you put it in like that. And then you pull that. And then you pull it tight so it can stay on. Then you just put it on your wrist. That's the wrong one. Then you just put it on your wrist so it won't fall off. And so there is going to be a part 2. So I'll show you what inside of the case looks like. This is not like the regular case. In the regular case, it's basically the shape of it. This is like just a black case. So here is the I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for. But here's the strap for the case. And I'll be putting this on. A little hard. And that's how you put it on. So I'm gonna. Oh, okay. So this is a kind of cushion for the camera. So you put it in like that. And yeah. So, and on the side there is a little pouch, so you can put like your film in there. Or if you're taking pictures and you don't know where to put them, you can put them in here. And that is it. There's no other pouches or anything. That's it. And then there is a little handle right here. And to turn this on, you just push this. Wow. But I have not put the film in or the batteries in. So on the side, there is a little battery compartment. It's a little hard to. Oh, there. So what you're going to do is take your batteries, and of course, this is, did I open it? This is, and then this one right here, the silver side is going to go up. And that just came out. Different way. Okay, and then the black side is going to go right here. So they're going to be opposite. Okay, so let's get that top back on. And so this is how you put the film in. There is a little latch right here, you open it up. So the film is in a foil package. You open it up and you will see this is actually hard to get out. I want to be careful with this. So this is what it looks like. You do not want to push this side when you're opening it. And what you see this little line, and there's a little line on the camera. you line those up and then you put it in. You close it and it's basically all ready for you. But there is something important. When you turn it on, you will hear a little noise. And right here is a little place. So it's basically a setting for the light. And right now, since I'm in my house, it shows that it recommends that I should put the lighting onto the indoor. And then this is cloudy, sunny, and very sunny. High key is more light than all of them. So I'm gonna change it, and then there's a little dot in there so you can change it out. I'm gonna keep it on the indoor setting. And then this is your shutter button. It's what you do to take a picture. And when you turn it on, you will see a little red flashing light right there. And yeah. So I'm going to take a picture of my brother. Right here is the viewfinder. But you have to be, it's not exactly where the lens can see. So you want to move it a little left. No, you want to move it a little right and down. So what you see in the first one is the protector of the film. And this is not an actual picture. So now I'm actually going to take a picture. And what you see is this. You do not want to shake it when it's transforming, because that will just ruin it. And when it's transformed, you don't want to put your fingers all around it. That will just leave some marks. And it might take other people say it's 5 minutes or 30 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't actually know what the exact thing is, so we're just gonna leave it. Oh, it actually is transforming right now. So that was really quick. It's just my brothers want to see it. Well, that is it. Oh, and for this, flash never goes off. You can't, there's no setting to turn it off. And this is the sensor for the light, so you never want to cover that up. And then to just turn it off, you push this in. That is it. There's nothing really more. And right here, it will start as an S. And then now that I just took a picture, it's 9. It comes with 10. But now that I just took a picture, it's 9. So, let me show you this. Basically all done. It's still a little transforming, but that's basically it. I'm going to do a second part of reviewing the Fujifilm camera. So watch it after this.